Hello class, happy week 10. I am in Orlando still at the moment. A few more days left before I'm back in good old Okinawa. Hope all is going well. Thank you for working diligently on that critical article review. I hope it wasn't too much of a pain in the arse. Like I said, as long as you put in a decent effort and critiquing it versus summarizing and following the guidance I sent you, you should be fine. So don't stress out about that assignment. As I mentioned before, it's not my favorite. So anyway, week 10, we're getting into the chi-square statistic and f-test, which seems like we've already covered this kind of sort of in the previous week. I already sent you the homework file, so you should be okay with that. You just got to know to select the one sample test for that first problem. Make sure you get the correct p-value in there. A key thing about the ANOVA, the analysis of variance within Excel specifically, the data needs to be set up. So you see the three little columns I would set up. That's an artifact of Excel. If you were to use any other statistics program, you could have it all in one column and then have another column that simply was the grouping and specify it as that. I don't know why that is with Excel, but just know that that's an artifact that you need to know. P-value, I mean, that's the ultimate thing you're going to be looking at with the ANOVA, as well as the chi-square. If it's less than 0.05 or 0.01, whatever you have set, you can reject the null hypothesis, accept the alternative, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can also look at compare the test statistic versus the critical value. If that test statistic is less than the critical value, then it's not significant. But the p-value always calculates in that direction anyway, so it's just further evidence to support or reject your hypothesis testing. So that is pretty much it. I think you should be okay with the assignment. The last problem is actually, I don't know why it's still on there, because the days of the week and the absences, it's a horrible example of a chi-square. It's actually, in my opinion, I go through this every time with my course director, it's actually, in my opinion, the incorrect test used for that particular problem, but I give you the template anyway for you, so you just need to plug in the numbers and you're fine. So, okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Hope all is well with you all, and literally, we got 2 more weeks. You know, we have one more assignment and then the final exam, which is not cumulative for the whole class. It's just week 7 and above. And again, I'll go over that with you as well. Other than that, that's it. So you're in the final stretch. Hopefully no worries, no stress, and all is well. So peace out.